Indestructible Ball. It comes in 2 sizes. The Ball for dogs 40 pounds and under, and the Ball XL for dogs 40 pounds and over. Our toys are made of 100% solid rubber that's recyclable and FDA approved. They're free of phthalates, latex, and BPAs for safe play. Our crazy bouncing shapes makes retrieving exciting. They come in high visibility colors and float for water play. They are washable, waterproof, and dishwasher safe, and come with a lifetime guarantee. For more information, visit www.ruffdawg.com/guarantee.